Good morning, all of you. Now, in the previous class, we have seen some questions based on variance and standard deviation. Now, today, we will discuss some questions of next exercise based on coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation, CD, which is equal to what? Sigma by x bar into 100. Okay, where sigma is standard deviation, x bar is mean, and multiplied by 100. This is called coefficient of variation. Greater the value of coefficient of variation, there is more variability of that distribution. If the coefficient of variation is greater, then the variability of that distribution will be greater. Okay. Now we will see some questions based on it. So first question, which is based on coefficient of variation. Our first question is, we have to given marks in the form of interval 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. This is the class interval, and for group A, we have given in this question two groups, and we have to find from the data given below, state which group is more variable. So we have to find the coefficient of variation of both the group, for group A and for group B both. So first we will find the coefficient of variation of group A. Okay, so A 90, 70, 32, 33, 40, 10, 10 and 9. This is now this is the frequency of group A. Okay, so we will find x side, which is midpoint. So midpoint of this interval is 20, 10 plus 20, 30 by 2 is 15, and 20, 35, 30 is 50, so it will be 25, and 35, 45, 55, 65 and 75. This is the midpoint which we have find out from the given class interval. Okay. Now we have to find out what? We have to find out mean and variance. Okay. Sorry, mean and standard deviation. So for find out mean, we will select assume mean. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let A is 45. Now take yi, which is equal to xi minus 45 by 10, because 10 is the interval difference. So you can write here 10. Now put the value of x1, x2, x3 here and get what is getting here. After putting 15, we get what? 30 by 10 minus 3, here minus 2, here minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So this is our yi. Okay. Now we will find the multiplication of fi yi. Fi yi. Okay. So multiplied by with the frequency, it will be minus 27 and minus 34, minus 32. This is 0, 40 and 10 2s are 20, 9 3s are 27. Okay. Now we will find out what yi is square. So yi square will be what? Yi square is 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4 and 9. This is yi square. Now we will find the sum of the frequency. Summation fi will be what? Now sum of this will be, this is 50 and this is 5 and this is 65 and 50. 65 and 50, 115, okay, 115, this term is 115 and 9, 115 and 9, 24 and 9, 24 and 9, 33 and 17, 150. Okay, so frequency, sum of frequency is what? 150. We are getting 150. Now we will find the sum of summation fi yi, which is equal to what? 7, 40 and 20, 60 and to 87, and this term is 27 and 27 will reduce. It will be 4 to 8 and 3 and 3 6, 68 minus 6 plus 60. So it will be minus 6. Okay. Summation fi yi is minus 6. Now we will find the mean. Our mean will be x bar, which is equal to a plus summation fi yi by summation fi into h. A is 45 plus summation fi yi is minus 6 by 150 into h. H is 10. So it will be cancelled. Now 6 by 15. So it will be what? 2 and 3. 5. 3 2 is 6 and 3 5 is 15. So 45 minus 0.4. Now it will be 44.6. So x bar is what? 44.6. From the given information we have find out our mean, which is x bar, and x bar is what? 44.6. Now we will find the standard deviation sigma. So for finding out it, we have to find out first the table of fi yi square. So let multiplied by fi yi square will be what? 9 9s are 81, 17 4s are 68, 32 1s are 32, this is 0 and 40 again and 81. Okay, now we will add this term. So summation fi yi square is equal to what? 2 and 1 3, 3 and 1 4, 4 and 8 12, 1, 8 and 1 9, 9 and 4 13, 13 and 4 17, 17 3 20, 26 and 8 34. So summation fi yi square is what? 342. Now the help of this information we can find out our variance and SD. So sigma square is what? H square by n square summation fi yi square minus summation fi yi whole square. Okay, so h square is H is 10, so it is 100. Summation N is 150, so we'll write 150 into 150. And this is summation Fi yi square is 342 minus 36. Now solve this, we will get 15 into 15, and this is 306. Okay, now multiplied by 3, 5 102. Now again 3 5 3 3 3 4, and this is 34 by 25. So there is a small mistake. There will be n, and here will be value of n 150. So it will be changed. Now we can write here 1 by 225 into, this is 0, 15 to the 30, 15 for the 60, and 363, 6, 15 3 is 45, and 651 minus 3, 6. Okay, now we will subtract this, and we get 1225 into, this is what, 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 3, 6, and this is 251. Okay, now when we will divide this, so this is our sigma square. This is, so sigma will be what? Under root this quantity. Now sigma will be what? After solving this, we get our result what? We get 15.09. The standard deviation sigma is what? 15.09. Okay. Now what we will do? We will find what? We will find the CV, which we have to find out in this. So our CV will be what? Sigma by x bar into 100. We know the formula of coefficient variation. This is sigma. Sigma is 15.09 and x bar is 44.6 into 100. Okay. Now we will write what? 1509 divided by 44.6. Okay. Now when we will divide this, we will get the result 33.86. Okay. So far group A, our CD is what? 30. CD is what? 33.86. Okay, this is the result of first group. Now in the same way we will find the coefficient of variation of the second group for group B. Okay, so let this, what we have to given, we have to given the class mark and frequency of group A. Okay, so first we will find what? Our midpoint xi. Xi will be the sum of lower limit and upper limit divided by 2. Okay, either the average of the lower limit and upper limit. So it is 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 75. Now we will take one assumed mean, which is, we are selecting the middle of the observation. So it is 45. So we will take yi, which is equal to xi minus a upon h, and our a is 45 and h is 10. So we will put each observation one by one, and we will get minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we will find what? Fi, yi. Okay, so my equation of Fi and yi is what? Minus 27, minus 34, minus 32, and 0, 40, 10 and 2, 20, and again 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. Okay, from the, now we will find the sum of this. The sum of summation Fi yi is what? Minus 6. Okay, now we will take the square of yi square and fi yi square we get here, and find the sum of fi yi square is 342. Now we will find our mean, which is a plus summation fi yi by summation fi into h. So 45 is plus and summation fi yi is minus 6, which is from here we are putting, and summation fi is 150 and multiplied by h, which is 10. Now after solving we get our mean is what? 44.6. Now for the standard deviation we will apply the formula of coefficient variance. So sigma square is h square by n square and summation fi yi square minus summation fi yi whole square. Now we will substitute the values. H square is 100, n square is 150 into 150, n is again 150. So fi yi square is 352 and this is 36. After solving this we are getting sigma is under root 1 by 225 and multiplied by 51264. Okay, so sigma will be what? After taking a square root outside we get 15.09. okay, I hope you understand. So, and after calculating the sigma and x bar we will find out our cv is x sigma upon x bar, which is multiplied by 100. We get what? We get 33.86 after solving. So the coefficient of variation for group A is 33.86. Now we will find the coefficient of variation for the group B, and we will put the frequency of group B here. Okay. So we will find x bar and sigma for group B, and we will find after that coefficient of variation. Okay, so let our group B is what? Our group B is 10, 20, 30, 25, 43, 15 and 7. 15 and 7. Okay. Now midpoint will be same because the interval is same. So x bar will be same. So here will be again minus 3, minus 2. Minus means 0, 1, 2. Okay, there is no doubt. Now we will again multiply with the frequency of group B. So frequency is minus 30, okay, minus 40, minus 30, 0, 43, 15 to 30, 7 3 are 21. Okay. Now we will find the sum of the frequency. The sum of the frequency is what? 5 and 3, 8 and 5, 13. 8 and 5, 13, 13 and 7, 20 is 2, 2 and 1, 3, 4, 6, 2, 8, 5, 13, 1, 14. Now the frequency is what? The sum of the frequencies for the group B is again add. After adding we will get 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30.